Question 15 is about the circle property. So first of all, in this question, we're going to using a property calling as the angle at the same segment. So if you see a butterfly, so which means that this two angles is going to be the same, and this two angles is going to be the same. So how I remember it is actually this two angles is actually watching at the same segment, isn't it? So they are going to have the same angles here. And the second property that we're going to use is the angle in a semicircle. So let's say if this is the diameter, then any angle on the circumference is going to be 90 degrees. So the first condition is going to be this should be a diameter. Okay, so these two are the properties that we're going to use in these questions. So first of all, we have AC is the diameter. So AC here is the diameter. And then we have these two lines is intersection at Q. And then CA is produced, so it's keep going until this point B. And then it's going to meet with this DE produced at P as well. So now I have this ABE is equal to 25 degrees. So ABE, this angle is going to be 25 degrees. And together with the ACD is 40. So ACD is here, ACD. So this is going to be, this angle is going to be 40 degrees. So now we're trying to find out what is the angle of CPD, so this angle. So if we consider, if we want to find out the angle of CPD, which means that if we consider this triangle CPD, now we know this angle. If we know this angle as well, so that we can find the CPD by using the angle sum of triangle. So now the problem changed to how can we find out this angle? So if you just want to find out this angle, how can we link with this 25 degrees? So the problem is we can try to add a straight line, adding with this A and D. If you're adding this straight line, then we can see from here, now we can see a butterfly, isn't it? This is a butterfly, so which means that this is 25 and this is 25. So we can write the angle ADE here is 25. And now if we consider about AC is the diameter, so which means that the angle ACD is the angle on the semicircle, which means that this is going to be 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. So now we have the 40 plus 90 plus 25 plus this angle will give you 180 by using the angle sum of triangle. So now we can say that the 40 plus 90 plus 25 plus angle CPD is going to be equal to 180 degrees. So we have angle CPD is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 40 minus 25, giving you the answer is 25 degrees. So the answer should be equal to A.